we asked her for this pastries, and she couldn't reach them, so she got out on the counter, which was as big as this table, like tall as this table, and got the pastries.
What do you have on your hands?
I don't know.
Hey, do you want a bizcocho?
Oh, this one's another one for me.
Mm-hmm.
Do you want one?
I want one of those beautiful
This is what Papa does. This is what Papa does.
Okay, open up. Tilt your head back. Okay, here we go. Open up. Swallow. Okay, you want some?
I like honey.
Okay.
That's me.
You gonna squirt some in your mouth?
I don't think I can aim well enough.
Can I have some more, Daddy?
Riding in style.
In between Tui and Oklahoma.
Daddy. Daddy.
Buenos días. Hola. Buenos días. Okay, lessons from day 4, morning. One of the main things to remember for us is that you want to get started early because the kilometers go down faster earlier in the morning. And so what we've been dealing with is each morning starting a little bit earlier, but getting everyone packed up is really hard to do in the morning. So tomorrow, we're hoping to get a lot of their stuff packed up tonight, so tomorrow morning we can give them a quick breakfast and push them out the door, because we have a really long ways to go tomorrow. This is the secret weapon of getting kids to finish the Camino de Santiago.
Weapon? It's food. Not a weapon, Daddy.
Is that yummy?
I want.
We took a wrong turn and are headed back up the hill to get on the Camino.
Thankfully,
On the
a
Camino.
woman shouted across her yard to us from the balcony that we were on the wrong path.
Daddy, almost like she was throwing your auto.
This is what day 4 looks like. When we finish for the day, this is generally what happens. And we get in and we eat something, and the kids get to do this. Okay.
Come pop it.
No, don't touch this. Go, go, go.
It's a balloon. It was a balloon.
What did Tansen make?
And a balloon.
Oh man. Hey, do you want to be a scocho?